Now here comes your connective tissue. Human connective tissue connects various tissue together in an organ, and it is most abundant among all other animal tissues, because in every corner of our body we want binding and supporting and packing of organs, right? तो functions भी यही है इनके, binding, supporting and packing of organs of the body. Characteristics of connective tissue are they are few cells, loosely packed, large intercellular spaces filled with jelly like substance called matrix. And types of your connective tissue are blood, ligaments and tendons, areolar tissue, adipose tissue, cartilage, and your bone. So, what are the qualities of blood? Blood has fluid matrix. Ground substance means matrix के अंदर आपके ground substances होते हैं, like grainy substance are there in this fluid, and that is called plasma, which has proteins, salts, hormones in which RBC, WBC, platelets are lying. It transports gases, food, hormones and waste to the parts of body. Then here come the bone. Bone forms skeleton that supports body and anchors muscles. It is a strong and non-flexible tissue in which bone cells are embedded in a hard matrix made up of calcium and phosphorus compound. So that is why it is very important to consume the calcium and phosphorus things, because our bone matrix is mainly made up of these two elements, your calcium and phosphorus. And what are your ligaments and tendons? Ligaments connects bone to bone. All right. It is elastic, it has strength, and it has very less matrix. And what are tendons? They connect muscles to the bones. All right. They are less elastic, fibrous tissue with great strength and more matrix. Now, what are your areolar tissue? It fills space inside the organ, supports internal organs, and helps in tissue repair. They are found between the skin muscles, around blood vessels, and your bone marrow. And what about your adipose tissue? Adipose tissue, as the name is suggesting, they just store your fat. They are found below the skin and between internal organs. Cells are filled with fat globules. They act as insulators, means they just provide our body warmth, and they act as the barrier for the atmospheric winter vibes, right? Due to the presence of your fat. Now, cartilage. Cartilage is a hard elastic tissue but softer than bone. Matrix is solid but elastic due to the presence of protein called chondrin, which is why we can bend a cartilage but not the bone, right? It smoothens the bone surfaces at joints and also found in nose, ear, trachea, and your larynx. Now, blood and lymph, the differences between these two. Blood is reddish in color, obviously, and lymph is pale yellow in color. Blood has red blood cells, lymph has no red blood cells. Blood has bidirectional flow, but lymph has unidirectional flow. Blood flow is rapid, lymph flow is slow. Leukocyte count in blood is relatively less, but lymph has the high leukocyte count. Platelets are present in the blood, but platelets are absent in the lymph. Now, the differences between tendon and ligament, once again, tendon attaches muscle to the bone and it causes sprain. अगर wear and tear होता है टेंडन में तो हमको sprain होता है, और ligaments का क्या होता है? They attach bone to bone. अगर उनमें wear and tear होगा तो that is called as strain. All right. Now the difference between bone and cartilage is bone is strong and non-flexible connective tissue, whereas cartilages are the flexible connective tissue. Bone has hard matrix made up of proteins, calcium, and phosphorus. Cartilage ka matrix is made up of only proteins and sugar, no calcium and phosphorus in the cartilage. Bones cannot be bent. Cartilages can be bent. Blood vessels are present in bone. Blood vessels are absent in cartilage. Canaliculi connections are present between bone cells that are called osteocytes, but canaliculi connections are absent between chondrocytes, which are the cells of cartilage. Osteocyte is to bone and chondrocyte is to cartilage. They have same meaning for both of them. It provides shape and skeletal support to the body. What bone provides shape and skeletal support to our body, but cartilage, it provides support and flexibility to the body, and it also smoothens bone surfaces at joints. नाउ skeleton को बनाने वाले हैं आपके bones, जबकि हमारे nose, ear and trachea and larynx में मिलते हैं हमारे cartilage. अगर आप अपने ear को जरा सा हिला के देखो, you are able to move it, or you are able to move your nose because they are made up of cartilage, but you are not able to move your, you can say, आर्म का, आर्म के अंदर आप जॉइंट के पॉइंट पे आप उसको मूव कर सकते हो, बट एज सच यू कैन नॉट मूव योर आर्म, राइट, बिकॉज दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ योर बोन.